This Le Cuisine for Life Le Cuisine 12-inch cast iron skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a matte black enamel coating. This coating helps prevent food from sticking. Also, it makes the skillet easy to clean after you cook delicious meals. The skillet's 12-inch size is perfect for many cooking tasks. You can fry eggs, sear steaks, and bake wonderful dishes. One key feature of this Le Cuisine for Life Le Cuisine skillet is its cast iron build. Cast iron is known for heating evenly. It also holds heat very well. This means your food cooks uniformly. Plus, it stays warmer for longer on the table. The included silicone handle sleeve is a thoughtful aspect. It helps protect your hand from the heat. This makes moving the skillet safer and easier. You can use this skillet both indoors on your stovetop and outdoors on a grill. It is also oven safe. This adds to its versatility in your cooking adventures. Many reviews compliment the durability and design of this skillet. Owners find it to be a reliable tool for many months of cooking. While some cast iron can wear over time, the enamel coating on this Le Cuisine for Life Le Cuisine skillet aims to resist wear. This skillet is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a dependable and versatile pan. It answers many common questions about cast iron cooking with its user-friendly design. There are clear differences between this and a regular pan. This skillet offers better heat retention and even cooking. Pros: frying pan, matte black, enamel coat, silicone handle, thermal resist, indoor, outdoor, oven. Safe, easy to clean, 2 handles, even heating. Cons: can be heavy, enamel may chip, uneven heating possible, handle can get hot, requires careful cleaning, might be pricier, not fully non-stick, longer preheat time, silicone sleeve bulky. Limited handle grip features: 12-inch size, cast iron make, matte black enamel, silicone handle, thermal resistant. Indoor-outdoor use, oven-safe design, frying pan type, durable build, easy to clean. This Le Cuisine 12-inch cast iron frying pan is great for cooking inside or outside and can even go in the oven. It's made of strong cast iron with a smooth, black coating and comes with a special handle that won't get too hot. This pan is durable, easy to clean, and perfect for frying all sorts of foods. This Le Cuisine 12-inch cast iron skillet has a matte black enamel coating and a silicone handle to protect your hand from heat. It can be used inside or outside, and it's safe to put in the oven. The pan has 2 handles for easier lifting, and it heats food evenly. However, it can be heavy, and the enamel might chip. Also, it might not heat perfectly evenly, and the handle can still get hot. You need to clean it carefully, and it might cost more than other pans. It's not completely non-stick, takes longer to heat up, and the silicone handle might feel big and offer a limited grip.